found is when I take a cup of coffee and I don't put in the sugar and I don't put in the half and half and I leave off the whipped cream and the maraschino cherry, it's calorie free.
So if you want to try to appreciate black coffee, which you don't particularly like, try diluting it with some hot water.
It's a matter of subtraction, and that's how I remember. I think of taking off those things, taking off the weight.
Single origin like Jamaica Blue Mountain Legendary, they have a great name in the biz. They're called self-drinkers because you can have them all by themselves.
Otherwise I'll forget and in goes the sugar and the half and half.
We're only having black coffee, no milk in our coffee.
And then the whipped cream and then the cherry and then the chocolate dark that sits on top of it. It won't sink if the whipped cream's nice and thick. Yeah. Just that right consistency when it sort of stands like a ship in the Black Sea.
Try drinking it just straight and see what it's like.